Girl, you make me go so loco, loco, make me go crazy. We would make a beautiful baby. Knock on wood, is you trying to date me? Is it you?
Hey y'all, hey, let's do a quick little start of the year reset or whatever. I don't know what to call this video. I just know that I'm finally cleaning up after taking down the goddamn Christmas tree. The kids go back to school tomorrow. I'm a little sad, but I'm also very excited to be having my space back to myself. I don't have to share it with nobody. I don't have to worry about nobody harassing me all day. I could just drop them off, have some free time, pick them up, and then spend time with them. As a mom, you just get it. Honestly, this cleaning video was like 30 minutes long. But if I'm being even more honester, that ain't even a word. But if I'm being even more honest, I don't like doing cleaning videos for YouTube because the long form cleaning content is just not my cup of tea. Like, I don't know how the girls do like 2-hour cleanings, 1-hour cleanings. Honey, I be stressed. It's way easier getting the cleaning content for TikTok because all you got to do is record like a little snippet of you cleaning up, you know, and then just put those little snippets together and then put them up on TikTok. You know what I'm saying? It's easy to make a 5-minute video 1 minute, but a 30-minute video, I don't even know how we got to 3 minutes if we're being completely honest. I probably could have left it longer had I like not put it in 5-speed, but yeah. That's my dilemma right now. Not gonna lie, probably not gonna do any more cleaning videos for y'all. But I will say this, if TikTok don't really get banned, y'all can go to my TikTok and watch me do my cleaning videos over there because that's where I get paid. I hope y'all been enjoying my content. I know I ain't been, you know, a couple of my videos I just kind of put out there. Sorry, y'all. Sorry. But I'm working on it, okay? I'm working on doing better, getting better at the content. I have a little calendar now, so I can put some stuff together after I get my hair together, because right now, I look like a matted chia pet. I ain't lying to you. But today is my first day back to school for me, so yeah. I'm just go ahead and leave y'all with this, okay? God got you if don't nobody else got you, and that's all I got to say. I hope y'all enjoy the rest of this video. Love y'all. Bye.
Everything I got on new, it look like I got rid of it. I'm cocky bitch when I was just humble, they didn't appreciate. Younger than ratchet, I'm the hood bitch, motivation on top.